Hello students, very good morning. See, we are discussing class 12th related chapter 4th determinants, in which we are doing exercise 4.5 and we are doing question 15th of this exercise. It is matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Then prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0 and then find A inverse by its help. इसकी help से अपने को A inverse भी निकालना है. So for this, in solution, first of all we have to find A square. A square is equal to 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 1 3. Then again we have to write A, that is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 1 3. Now we have to multiply these two matrices. So A square is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now this row is multiplied by this one. So 1 plus 2 minus 1. 1 plus 2 minus 1. And then this will be multiplied by this. So 1 minus 3 plus 3. And after this, second row will be multiplied by first column, the second column and third column respectively. So 1 plus 2 1s are 2 plus minus 3 2s are 6. Now 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4 and then minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Now this 1 1s are 1, minus 3 2s are 6 and then minus 3 3s are 9. Now this row is multiplied by this one. So 2 1s are 2, minus 1 plus 6. 2 minus 1 plus 6. See, 2 1s are 2, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, and plus 3 2s are 6. Now 2 1s are 2, minus 1 2s are 2, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Now this row is multiplied by this one, this column. 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus, 1 3s are 3, and then plus 3 3s are 9. So finally, A square is equal to what? A square is equal to this 4, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, and 2 minus 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. Here it is 3 minus 1, 2, and 5 plus 3, 8, and then 2 will be cancelled by this 2. So minus 3 and 3 will be cancelled by this 3. So 1 and 1 minus 15, that is minus 14, and then 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14. Now what is needed? 6A square is needed here. So let us find out 6A square now. 6A square is equal to what? It is equal to 6 into all these elements. I am directly multiplying 6 here in all the elements. So 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, so it will become minus 18, and 6 7s are 42, so it will become 42. Now 6 2s are 12, and then 6 8s are 48, and then 6 3s are 18. That will be minus 18 because here it is minus sign. Now 6 1s are 6, and 14 6s are how much? 84. And 14 6s are again 84, but here it is negative 84 and here it is positive 84. So it is 6A square. Now what is required? More. 5A is also required. So let us find out 5A also. 5A I am writing here only. 5A is equal to, I am directly writing all the elements of 5A. See, 5 we have to multiply in this A. So it will be 5 5 5. Now 5 10 minus 15, and then 10 minus 5 and 15. 10 minus 5 and 15. Why we are finding all these? Because these two elements we have to find out. Now 11I. 11I means what? 11I means 11 into 100, 100, 010, and 0 0 1. 0 0 1. So it will be 11i is equal to what? 11 0 0. We have to write it upwards. 11i is equal to 11 0 0, 0 11 0, and then 0 0 11. So these three we have determined. Now a cube is needed. So for a cube, what we have to do? A cube is equal to a square into a. A square into a is a cube. So a cube is equal to, here again we have to multiply this a square value with a. This is a square. With a we have to multiply it. 4 to 1. So it will be 4 to 1. Now minus 3 8 minus 14. Minus 3 8 minus 14. And after this, what is needed? 7 minus 3 and 14. 7 minus 3 and 14. Now we have to multiply this by a also. So 1 1 1. Now 1 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 1 3. So it will be a cube is equal to, I am writing here, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 2. Now 4 1s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus, no, minus, because 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Now 4 1s are 4, minus 3 2s are 6, and then plus 1 3s are 3. Now this minus 3 is this row will be multiplied by this. Minus 3 plus 8 minus 28. Minus 3 plus 8 minus 28. Because 14 to the 28. Now minus 3 plus 16 minus plus 14. And after this we have to multiply by this. So minus 1 into 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and then 8 into minus 3 is minus 24, and then minus 14 into 3 is equal to minus 42. Now 7 minus 3 14 will be multiplied by this column and this column respectively. So 7 1s are 7, minus 3 1s are 3, and then 14 2s are 28. But here it is positive 14, so 14 2s are 28 will be positive here. 7 1s are 7, minus 3 2s are 6, and then 14 into minus 1 is minus 14. Now we have to multiply this row by this column. So 7 1s are 7, minus minus plus, 3 3s are 9, and then 14 3s are 42, plus 42. So what is the value of a cube? A cube is equal to, we have to write all these elements by adding this. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1. Now minus 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 minus 28 is minus 23. Minus 23. 16 minus 3 is 13, 13 and 14, 27. So here it is 27. And now minus 27 and minus 42. So 7 to 9 and 4 to 6, minus 69. Minus 69 here it is. And 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 28 is 32. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 14 is minus 13, and 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 and 40, 18 and 40, 58. So this will be 58. This is the value of a cube. Now what we have to prove? To prove, what we have to prove? A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. So LHS I am taking here. So LHS is equal to a cube minus 6a square plus 11i, sorry, plus 5a plus 11i, plus 5a plus 11i. This I am taking now. So a cube, what is the value of a cube? Let us write a cube first of all. It is 871. 871. Now minus 23, 27, and then minus 69. Minus 69. 32 minus 13. 32 minus 13, and then 58. Minus 6a square. 6a square we have determined here. See where it is? 6a square is here. 24, 12, 6. 24, 12, and 6. And then minus 18, 48, minus 84. Minus 18, 48, minus 84. And lastly 42 minus 18, 84. 42 minus 18, and then 84. Now what is needed? This a cube and 6a square written. Now plus 5a. So plus 5a we have determined already. See where it is? Here it is. 5, 5, 5, 5, 10 minus 15. 5, 5, 5, 5, 10 minus 15. And then 10 minus 5, 15. 10 minus 5 and 15. Now what is required? 11i. So 11i also we have determined, here it is. So plus 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, and 0, 0, 11. Now see how to do. What we have to do here? See, I am solving this 2. 8 minus 24. And this 2 we will solve with this again. So 8 minus 24, I am doing directly now. 8 minus 24, what it is? Minus 18. Minus 18. And then 7 minus 12 is 5. Minus 5. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. And 1 minus 6 is again minus 5. Now see, minus 23 minus 18 means minus 41. Minus 41 it will be. Now 27 minus 48, what it is? Minus 21. Minus 21 it is. Because 27 minus 48, you may do 8 minus 7 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So minus 21. Minus 69 minus 84. So 9, 4, 13. Carry on 1. 9, 6, 15. Minus 153. Here it is minus 153. Now 32 minus 42 is minus 10. And here it is minus 13 plus 18. See, minus into minus plus. Here somewhat mistake we have done. We have done mistake. Minus 23 plus 18. Sorry. Here mistake is there. This minus sign is not multiplied inside. See, again we are doing 8 minus 24. That is minus 16. Now 7 minus 12. That is minus 5. Now 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. Now minus 23 plus 18. See, minus minus plus. Minus 23 plus 18, that will be minus 5. Now 27 minus 48 means it is negative because 48 having minus sign. So 8 minus 7 is 1 and here it is 2. Now minus 69 plus 84. So 84 minus 69 we have to do. 14 minus 9 is 5. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So it is 15. Now 32 minus 42, that is minus 10. Now minus 13 plus 18. Minus minus plus. So it will be 5. Minus 13 plus 18 will be 5. Positive, because positive digit is having, positive is bigger digit. Positive value is bigger digit. Now 58 minus 84. So here it is minus sign because bigger digit is having minus sign. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. And after that plus will be there. I am doing this also. 5 plus 11, that is 16. 5 plus 11 is 16. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 5 plus 0 is again 5. Now minus 18, sorry, 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is again 5. 10 plus 11. 10 plus 11 is 21. And minus 15 plus 0 is minus 15 only. Now 10 plus 0, that is 10. Now minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5. Now 15 plus 11, that is 26. Now see, we have to add this. So what is final conclusion? Minus 16 plus 16 is 0. Minus 5 plus 5 is also 0. Minus 5 plus 5 is again 0. Minus 5 plus 5 is again 0. And minus 21 plus 21 is again 0. 15 minus 15 is also 0. Minus 10 plus 10 is also 0. 5 minus 5 is again 0. And minus 26 plus 26 is also 0. So it is 0 matrix which can be written as O. So it is equal to RHS. This is only the one part of the question that we have proved it, that it is true. Now what we have to do further? We have to find A inverse after this. So first of all, you have to proceed up to here. Now see, it is proved A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to O or 0 matrix, we can say. It is proved. So on multiplying by A raised to the power minus 1, what it will become? If we multiply by A raised to the power minus 1, then 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 6 into A raised to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So A raised to the power 1 plus 5I, it will become I, because A minus A raised to the power 1 minus 1, that is A raised to the power 0. A raised to the power 0 means it is identity matrix, we can write, plus 11. If I is multiplied by A inverse, then it will become A inverse is equal to O. So what we can conclude from here, that 11A inverse is equal to 6A minus 5I, because this 6A will become positive there in RHS, 5I is become negative here in RHS, and A square will become negative, so minus A square. So 11A inverse is equal to 6A. 6A, value of A is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 1, 3. Minus 5 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Now A square, see, this is value of A square. I am writing here A square. It is 4, sorry, with minus sign it is minus A square. 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, and then 7, minus 3, and 14. So we can rub this now. What is needed? 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, 4, minus 14, and then 7 minus 3, 14. This is value of A square, which we have written here for determining A cube. Now there is no need of this part. Now we can solve it further. 11A inverse is equal to 6 minus 5 minus 4. See, 6 ones are 6, minus 5, minus 4. Now 6 minus 0, 5 into 0 is 0, and then minus 1. sorry, minus 2. Minus 2. Now third element, 6 on the 6, minus 0, because 5 into 0 is 0, minus 1. Now 6 on the 6, minus 0, 5 0 0, this 0, and then minus minus plus 3. Now 6 to the 12, minus 5, minus 8. Now this element, minus 18, because 6 3 is 18. See, 6 into minus 3, minus 18, minus 0, because this is third element of second row, minus 0, minus minus plus 14. Now what? 6 to the 12, minus 0, 12 minus 0, 12 minus 0, minus 7. Now what is needed? 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, minus 0, and then minus into minus plus 3. Now last element, 6 3 is 18, minus 5 1 is 5, and then minus 14. So what it will be? See, 11A inverse is equal to, we can find it out now, 6 minus 10 minus 4, sorry, 6 minus 9 minus 3, minus 5 minus 4 minus 9, 6 minus 9 is minus 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 12 minus 5 is 7, 7 minus 8 is minus 1, and then minus 18 plus 14, that is minus 4. Now 12 minus 7 is 5, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, and 18 minus 5 is 13, 13 minus 14 is minus 1. So what is our final answer? A inverse value will be equal to 1 upon 11. We can divide it by 11 now, because this 11 will be shifted from LHS to RHS. So it will become 1 upon 11, and then minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, and 5, minus 3, minus 1. So this question number 15th is now over. Here we have proved it first of all, and after that we have determined the value of A inverse. So in this manner we have to solve this type of question. And thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do like, subscribe, do like it, subscribe it, and share it as much as possible.